Restoration, what to expect. Aladdin's lamp available at Walmart for $10.68. Available in Uttar Pradesh, India for $200,000. A medical doctor paid a $41,600 down payment before he realized he had been duped. Don't we all wish there was a real Aladdin's lamp? Could you have been suckered in with this scam? Of course not. Yet people fall for get-rich schemes, miracle drugs, diet programs, and more every day. Restoration, 21 Days to Eden, is based on Bible principles thousands of years old and current scientific study into the exponential power of the subconscious mind called epigenetics. We will reveal the findings of clinical medical studies, the results of healing via the placebo effect or sugar pill that people believe to be a new medication, even fake surgeries that cured the patients receiving them. Better yet are the stories of people healed by prayer. Restoration 21 Days to Eden tells the stories much the same as about a dozen authors, but it goes far beyond telling stories. Our program focuses on the how-to. How do I get my prayers answered? How do I reprogram my subconscious mind to receive miracle healings, newfound confidence, and business success? How do I remove the depression? How do I help family members and avoid the high cost and addictive impact of too many drugs? Please understand, it takes focus, determination, and effort to have your prayers and desires answered. We will guide you along the path to recovery or just strengthen yourself against future illness. We will also encourage you to seek greater financial benefit in your career. Restoration is about restoring health, accessing the power of the subconscious mind, and living the life you were meant to have. Our goal is to help you achieve health, wealth, and happiness. Remember, where there is hope, anything is possible. Sign up for Restoration 21 Days to Eden on the link below. Get started restoring what is rightfully yours today.